Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finished at 2 o'clock. And we are now here at the shopping center. I'm actually going to put this in the return and earn. I have maybe 8 bottles. So basically, all I need to do is use my phone and then scan the code, the barcode, and then I can put it here now. So I have now 50 cents. I have 90 cents, so it's 9 bottles. And then transfer. And it's going to be transferred to my PayPal account. The other option is to transfer it to donation company. What? Not donation company, but charity. It is actually called. And my original plan is to just buy a water, but I'm also going to look for anything that maybe I like. Bread, $5.80. But actually all of these, they are sweet. I don't like. Or maybe this bagel. Yeah, $5.50. Or these cookies. Yeah, the problem is I don't like something sweet. I mean, I like to eat just one piece, but once I open everything, I will be tempted to eat all of those. Or maybe I will just keep it in the fridge and it will be just spoil. Okay, I have just this blueberries. Just this. It's $4. Of course, water. Sparkling water. I'm getting one of this. Sponge. Just $1.99. 3 pieces. The total is $8. And it is actually raining. Been raining for 4 days already. And in the previous days I was not recording because after work I just stay here in the shopping center. Just like today, I will be just staying here in the barn, and we'll be staying again in the computer. Yo, good day everyone. Today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. It is already 2:40 and now I'm preparing my meal. I can't go on hiking, I can't go on walking around because of the rain. It has been raining for a week now. And the rain is not just here, it's everywhere around here in New South Wales. And some places here in New South Wales, it's snowing. I saw on Facebook, it is snowing in Armadale today. Armadale. Oh. So this is minced meat, vegetable and minced meat. I also boil an egg. Hey, see this? And I'm going to eat it while watching Batang Quiapo. You hold me inside out and you showed me what life was about. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. let you down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. To the fire, to the limit, to the wire. Oh, just to be with you together and sit on right down to the wire, even to the fire, to the limit, to the fire, to the limit. We are now here at the shopping center. Yeah, I'm just going outside. Yeah, just to walk around. Yeah, for sure I'm going to be tempted to buy something. But yeah, I really need to go outside. Yeah. I need to walk. I need to walk. Walking is very important. The shops are closed already. Yeah, some are still open. The major, like the grocery. Oh, look at these shoes. Yeah, beautiful. It's OG, Australian Shepherd. I'm going to get one of these. Yeah, one of the plate. This one is $4. Yeah, 20 pieces. The one that I currently have that almost finished is this one, 50 pieces at $3.50. But it's yeah, very ordinary. I want to take this one because this one is deeper. Yeah, $7.80. Also, I'm going to take one of these and spoon. You know, I'm trying to sing along with the music, but with the headphone like this, I cannot properly hear my voice. That's why I prepared the sunglass. Yeah, the sunglass music. And look at this one. Yeah, I'm actually tempted to get this one. I like it. This one is said that it is stainless. Yeah, if you look at it, it looks like not good for the microwave, but it's microwavable. Yeah, $20. Oh, you know, when I was working in the Philippines, yeah, I never experienced to go to the grocery. Yeah, never. Yeah, I've been to the grocery in the Philippines, but yeah, because for the company to buy something. But for something like this, that I am choosing the things that I like for me, yeah, I never experienced. Yeah, because before I was living in yeah, bed spacer. Yeah, shared room. And I usually eat in the restaurant or carinderia, the cheap food outlet. Yeah. So where I experience shopping, grocery is when I went to Dubai. Yeah, that is where I really experience something like this. When I go to buy something for me. Hey, the roasted chicken, they are on sale now. Yeah, $8.75 now. Regular price is $15. No, $12.50. But no, I don't like roasted chicken today. Oh, it's still raining actually. And it is now 7 o'clock. I'm now going to the gym. There's a very strong wind outside. Yeah, actually the barn is moving. Yeah, because of the strong wind. And we are now here. There are people.